Hi friends, I'm Tilak. You're watching Tech Made Be Unique, and today we're just going to see how to get this Chrome Dino game widget on your home screen on any mobile phone, and how to get this game on your Chrome if you just need to play, if you're also online or offline. And if you're new to this channel, make sure to click on subscribe button below. We just quickly move on to the video. So how to add the Chrome Dino game widget on your home screen on any Android. So it's a Chrome widget. So first of all, you just need to update your Chrome from the Play Store. Then if you just need to insert this widget on your home screen, just long press on your home screen, click on the widget section. Just scroll down, you can find an option called Chrome. Just click on this, it will be changes for every mobile. Just slide to the second page and here the Chrome Dino. Jump into the fun Dino game. Just add widget or just drag and drop it on your home screen. Now we just click on the widget, it will open to the Chrome. So now you can just tap on the screen and anywhere on the screen and you can just play it. So just going to tap this. Now the dinosaur game has been turned on and now I can just play the dinosaur game or Dino game. So this is how you just enable the Dino game on your home screen by using some Chrome widget. I think this video helped you a lot. Like this video, share this video, subscribe this channel. We will meet our next video with this super valuable content. This is Tirak signing off from Tech Made Be Unique. Have a wonderful day.